Here's the view I got today for today's job. That right there is the Richmond-San Rafael Bridge. And we're working in San Rafael, California today. We're installing a full view garage door. It's an all glass garage door. Just thought I'd show you the bridge before we got started. So here we are at the job. And this is the garage door we're going to replace. Actually, the existing door doesn't look too bad, but we're going to put here a full view door. This is the door we're going to install here, and we bought it from Amar Entramatic. It's an all glass door. What it does is it brings a lot of light into the garage, and these doors are popular around houses where their water is, like where we are now by the marina. And around here, also Tiburon, California, they have a lot of these doors. So that's the door we're going to install. This is a look at it from inside. This building is a little strange. That wall right there is coming into the garage. I don't know if you can see that track up there is jammed into the 2x4s up there. So we're going to have to also bring the opening in. The existing door right now is a 16-footer, and we're going to make it a 15-footer so we could have more room on the side for the tracks and get it away from the wall there. There you go. And this is the new tracks, and that's the door there. It's all packaged up. We're going to take a look at that. We got hinges and hardware here. So I got the old door off. There it is on the truck. And there's the opening. It's all cleared. Here's a look at the new door that's going in. This is a full view door. Purchased it from Amar Entramatic. It's an all glass door. These doors are a bit expensive, but they improve the look of the house quite a bit, and they bring a lot of light in the garage. It's kind of a modern look. That's what the customer told me he wanted. I want the modern look. Here it is. So we're getting there. Got 3 panels up. Got 1 more to go. These things are heavy. Expensive and heavy. All glass door. And here I want you to take a look at the mount that holds this track. Is a full angle mount. See here? This metal piece goes all the way up. The standard door, see, just has 2 JBs, one there and one there that holds it. The reason for that is because this door is very heavy. So they have to give it extra support so that it doesn't come off the track. And that's important to do on these heavy doors, have that angle mount. And there's our full view door. Nice and light in the garage. Nice nature scene I get to look at while I'm working. So here's the door. All glass garage door. Has the anodized frame and frosted glass.